सुप्रभात बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीबॉडी। हाउ आर यू? सब लोग अच्छे होना। नाउ वी आर गोइंग इन ए क्रिटिकल कंडीशंस, सो लेट अस फर्स्ट प्रे God for our healthy life and peaceful life. ओम गणेशाय नमः। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान्मुक्तिमुख्यमामृतात् कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयविन्दे ओम भवानी सहितं नमामि। सभी अच्छा रहे। टुडे विल स्टार्ट a new lessons, that is electronics components and the color registers. तो सबसे पहले मैंने बताऊंगा कि इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स यू विल सी दैट देयर आर डिफरेंट components, electric components. First, this is transformer. Second, this is transistor. This is capacitor. This is diode, and this is total is printed circuit board. So, and this is your cell, and this is capacitor, and this is also one type of capacitor, and this is 2-pin plug. So these are your electronic components. And you see here, this is one diode. Similarly, in this printed circuit board PCB, there are many कलर रजिस्टर्स। ये जो है छोटा रजिस्टर्स है, वो आँख में इन नेकेड आई इसको हम उसका वैल्यू निकालना बा उसका जो बैंड से दिखना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है। फॉर दैट ओनली विल रीड टुडे अबाउट द कलर कोडिंग ऑफ द रेजिस्टेंस। ओके, सो यू विल सी दैट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द लेसन, color coding of carbon resistance, that is components and wires are coded with colors to identify their value and function. Just like here you have seen that this is a very thin components, so the value of that resistance is not visible, or if you write also it will be not visible. For that only this color coding is used, because you will see that in that resistance there are different colors. From that colors you have to know, you have to calculate the value of the resistance. So today we will read about how to calculate the value of a resistance and where it will be used and the different methods to remember. And this register color coding uses color bands. So you see that there are different bands to quickly identify a register's resistive value and its tolerance. Tolerance means क्या है? जैसे suppose कुछ शक्ति है ना, जो कि आप सह सकते हैं, that is your tolerance. So in every electrical components has a tolerance. उससे यदि ज़्यादा हो जाएगा वो खराब हो जाएगा, जल जाएगा. So that is the tolerance power of that equipment. Or similarly, see here, this is one circuit. I have drawn one circuit. This is the cell. Suppose this is 9-volt cell. Just like I have told you that cell. Then this is a resistance, and this is your diode. And you will see that this LED have different value. LED means light emitting diode. So this light emitting diode has different value. Different color will specify different value. See here, I have written here red. So you will see the table here. This is LED color and voltage drop. Suppose red color, that is the voltage drop is 1.6 to 2.0. But 1.6 to 2. Similarly, if it is yellow color, the LED voltage drop is 2.10 to 2.18. Similarly, if it is orange color, then it is 2.03 to 2.10. Similarly, if it is blue color, 2.40 to 3.7. Similarly, if it is green color, 1.9 to 4.0. Violet color, 2.76 to 4.0. Ultraviolet, then it is 3.1 to 4.0, or white is 3.2 to 3.6. So, first of all, you will calculate how to know that which type of diode or LED will be fitted in the circuit. So you see this is your resistance, and Vs stands for source voltage. So here I have given, or I have taken in this circuit, that is 9 volt. Similarly, VL, that is LED voltage. This how LED voltage, that is your 1.75 volt, because I have written here red color. Red means that is 1.60 to 2.06, so 1.75 volt. Similarly, you want to calculate what is the resistance of this value. So the formula is Vs minus VL by I. Vs means source voltage, and VL is LED voltage, and I is your current. Whatever the current is flowing through it, whether this can bear or not, tolerance मीन्स सपोज कोई भी आदमी सपोज 50 kg चावल अपना सिर में रख कर ले सकता है, उसको यदि हम 1 क्विंटल दे देंगे तो वो बढ़ जाएगा, तो और उसका तभी गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली इट हैज ए कैपेसिटी. सो हाउ विल कैलकुलेट दिस वैल्यू. सो R is, that is Vs minus VL by I. So here source voltage is 9 volt, so I have written here 9, and this is VL, that is your LED voltage 1.75 by 20 milliampere. You see, this is your current. Suppose the current is flowing 20 milliampere. Then you want to calculate this value to ampere. So you have to multiply this by 1000. So automatically 7.25. 9 minus 1.75, that is 7.25 into 1000 by 20. So 0 cancel out. Then you will get 72500. Suppose you want to cut this again. So 725 by 2. So it is 362.5 ohm. So this is approximately, this is 362.5. So approximately this is 330 volt, which is available. The available resistance or this resistive value of that is 330. So you will take this one. So this is all about how to calculate. Next, you see, when there is a resistance or there is a color code, so how can you calculate the color code? See again, here I have taken here different colors, and this is first and second number, then this is third multiplier. Means what I have taken here, you see, suppose this is a color resistance, this is a color resistance or carbon resistance, and these are different bands or ring बोलते हैं व बैंड बोलते हैं. सपोज ये बैंड हम दिखेंगे, ये तो मैंने बोला कि if you write the value, so we cannot read in such a small particles, and also we cannot recognize the exact value, so it will be difficult, and गलती से यदि कुछ लगा देंगे तो सर्किट भी जल जाएगा. For that only we should know the correct value. So for knowing the correct value, the color resistance is colored by different bands. So this, suppose this is violet color, green color, blue color, silver color. So this you see, suppose how to remember this table I am telling. First you write here B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. Suppose B stands for black and this B stands for brown. First black से शुरू होगा, तो B stands for black, B stands for brown, R stands for red, O stands for orange, Y stands for yellow, Great Britain. So total we are not taking the letter G, the green, the B blue, then this is V violet, G grey, then Y का जो पहला letter white. These are taken, and these are the tolerance. these three values are the tolerance. So, just like you write, Baby Rai has a great bit and has a very good wife, you should also have a very good wife. Then, suppose you write the colors first. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, the first band, this is the first band, this is the first band, this is the second band, this is the third band, this is the fourth band. I have taken a 4-band color register or color register. So, these first two, 1, 2, this is the first two value, first band and second band value. You will take from this table. And for third band, it is multiplier. Third band is multiplier. And this fourth band is tolerance. Whatever I told you, the tolerance value. Suppose you will remember, if you want to calculate the value, because if you know the correct value, and suppose you are opening a shop, your own self, because this lesson's motto is, this motto, लर्निंग डूइंग एंड अर्निंग. पहले हम सीखेंगे, फिर उसके बाद खुद ही करेंगे, फिर अर्निंग करेंगे. क्योंकि कोई भी दुकान, अभी जैसे हमारा श्रेष्ठ भारत है ना, और हमारा जीवन जीविका, दो चीज़ें, जीवन और जीविका. तो जीविका हमारा निर्वाह कर सकता है यदि हम कुछ ज्ञान है तो उसी को यूज कर हमारा कोई भी इक्विपमेंट जैसे टीवी हो, रेडियो हो, PCP, VCR, कंप्यूटर्स, कुछ भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट यदि हम रिपेयरिंग करना चाहते हैं तो वी आर यूजिंग दीज थिंग्स. सो इफ यू डोंट नो द करेक्ट वैल्यू, सपोज करेक्ट वैल्यू को नहीं लगाएंगे, वो जल जाएगा, वो कंपोनेंट्स काम नहीं करेगा. फॉर दैट ओनली यू शुड नो द वैल्यू. सो दिस इज द टेबल. एंड सपोज आई एम taking one example. This is one example. This is one example I have taken. This is the color registers and it has 4 band. 1, 2, 3, 4. How to calculate the value? Because it is a very small particles, small things. So how will you calculate? So you see, first band, this is the formula. For coaxial color band, first and second band. This first and second band number or magnitude, you are taking the number from that table, you are taking the number. And for third band it is multiplier, and for fourth band it is tolerance. So you see, for the violet means, you see from this table, violet 7, so first digit is 7. Second green क्या है 5, so I have taken 5. Now the third band is multiplier, so easily into, this is into, this is the multiplier. This is your multiplier. Then next is your silver. Silver means, you see here silver. Then you will see blue color. Blue color का हो गया 10 to the power 6. You see here this value 10 to the power 6. So 10 to the power 6. Then this silver color, that is your what? Tolerance value, that is plus minus 10%. So plus minus 10%, मतलब 10 से 10% कम हो सकता है, 10% ज़्यादा हो सकता है. So this is the value of this color register, that is 75 into 10 to the power 6 plus minus 10%. इसलिए मैंने पहले बोला था ये इतना छोटा है, इसमें यदि इतना वैल्यू लिखा जाएगा तो उसको पढ़ना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. इसलिए this is the table to calculate the color code of the registers. So these are, similarly you can take any other example. Suppose I am taking other value. Suppose this is your registers and this is one band, this is second band, this is third band, this is fourth band. Suppose this is first, second, third, fourth. This is your example 2. You can take many examples like this, because in the examination also it is coming to calculate the value color code of these registers. Suppose here I am taking here red color. Suppose this is red and this is your yellow and this is your green and this is your gold color. Gold. So what I have told, the value is red color. Red means क्या है 2. So here you write 2. Then yellow color, that is 4. So you write here 4. Next is your multiplier. Green. Green is 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5. Then gold. Gold you see 10 plus minus 10%. So that means this thing you see here, gold का हो गया plus minus 5%. Plus minus 5%. So the value of this register is 24 into 10 to the power 5 plus minus 5%. तो 5% ज़्यादा हो सकता है, 5% कम हो सकता है. तो like this in your engineering or in any entrance also these are coming. So these are very interesting for other classes also. So you will practice yourself and you can calculate the value. Thank you.